Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change app icon in Base 44. I'll change the icon of this app right here. So just go to your dashboard, scroll all the way down until you see my recent apps. Just choose the app whose icon you want to change. And then come here at the bottom left. Click on this gear cog. And then on this pop-up of options, click on app settings. Now here, I want you to select logo. If you don't see that, then just click on this down arrow where you see settings. You should see logo. Go ahead and click on logo. We have two options. We can either upload our own logo or generate a logo using their AI. Okay, I'll come back to upload logo and then just drag and drop this one, or you can just come here, click on select image. Okay, and then just go ahead and choose the image that you want to use as the logo. We'll use our channel logo right here. Click on open, and there you go. This is being uploaded, and there you go. Logo has been uploaded successfully, and as you can see, it has changed. And the other way to change the logo, you can just come here and click on the name at the top left. Click on edit app logo. You can do it from there as well. But that is how you change the app icon in Base 44. Really that easy.